Look at that.
I forgot to throw the switch. There we go.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Here it goes.
Comes another one.
Here comes another diesel. Here comes a diesel. Here
Oh,
comes.
it's going in that tunnel. Going that way
Okay.
in that tunnel.
There's the diesel.
I got diesel.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Wow, look at him.
Whoa.
Oh boy, look at all of them.
Big one.
Yeah.
Oh, train is gonna go
Wow,
on that
look at the
bridge.
ones over there. Look at them all.
Oh, there it
Yeah.
comes. That one's my
Look at
Gordon.
them all.
Is that Gordon?
It is Gordon.
Moving west to Tipton, you see several freights making east and westbound Pennsylvania.
Yeah, look at, here comes the trains.
That's Gordon.
That's a good looking train, doesn't it? Oh, look at that one coming out of there.
Look it up there.
Look at the train coming up top. See that one up there?
Mm-hmm.
Up, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go down here and they can stand on the bench down here.
Here we go.
Look at that. Here. Why don't you just let them stand on the
here we
bench
go.
here? Okay, stand here. Yeah, look at
Look at these.
Look at that. Look at. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Mine.
Yeah, that looks like yours.
Train is gonna go on
That looks like your trains. Boy, look at them all. They're awesome.
Okay, that's the way out.
Okay. All right, let's just get a little bit more. Put them down, hon.
You're going to stay down.
Okay, stay down. Here. Stand on the bench with your brother. Look at that, says Lehigh Valley.
Look it.
Let Nona film this so you guys can watch it at home. Yeah, caboose. Stand up. Stand up.
Look at coming.
Stand up. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, where? Wait. Huh? Oh, yeah, there's a... Oh, yeah, backhoe. Look at that. Look at the steamy. Looks like the Polar Express.
That's pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, look at the signal lights.
I
Okay.
wonder what that was.
Okay.
Up.
All right.
Okay.
Here,
Okay.
put this here.
Are you ready?
Put it in there.
Oh.
Here. Okay.
Okay. No doesn't. No wants to go. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that.
we
Wow.
I'm gonna follow Gordon.
Look at that. Look. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Where? Where's the caboose? Over there. Look at all the cabooses.
Oh, he's going to the bridge. Hey, there's that bird up there.
Okay. See you
Okay,
later.
we're gonna go. I know. Okay.
You know, I can't carry these kids.
I know, hon. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go. We can watch this film when we get home. Nona filmed it.
Watch the mud here.
Okay.